Welcome! If you've ever scrolled through your tagged photos on Instagram and wished you could see them from the very beginning, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to sort your tagged photos by oldest to newest on Instagram, using the latest features as of 2025. Whether you want to relive old memories or just organize your tags, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal settings and photos. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, look to the top right and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options for managing your activity and account settings. From this menu, tap on Your Activity. This section lets you review and control everything you've done on Instagram, including posts, comments, and, most importantly, tags. Now, tap on Tags. Here, you'll see all the photos and videos where you've been tagged by friends, family, or other accounts. By default, Instagram might show your tagged photos in a random or most recent order, but we're going to change that. Look for the Sort and Filter option, usually located at the top or near the corner of the Tags section. Tap on it to reveal the sorting choices. Now select Sort by Oldest to Newest. Instantly, your tagged photos will rearrange, showing the very first photos you were ever tagged in moving forward in time. This makes it super easy to find those early memories or see how your Instagram journey has evolved. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've sorted your tagged photos from oldest to newest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.